Alright, welcome back to the final part of the extended version of the simplest tutorial, the 5x5 Professor's Game. In this point, here you have all of the sentences and all of the edges completed, and all that you have to solve with this just like you have done it with a real 3x3. So, I'll tell you one thing that this cube has lot of knowledge and energy, so it can help you in your next video. And so I tell you one thing, uh, second of all, that because I have so much of knowledge, this is of the crash course of the cube. Main reason that you can get this 5x5 on anywhere. You can buy these online. So let's begin with the 3x3, like 5x5 to do with 3x3. To solve this like a 3x3, you have to just memorize that how you have done in the 3x3 cube. So now let's solve it. I have here already white and red piece. Just bring it up, and now you have connected it. Second, find the edge, and here it is, white and blue. Just turn it. Now you can bring this up and bring this down. Turn it to this side, and now you can bring this up, and now just turn it twice, and then you can bring the right down and bring it up, and just turn it 2 times over the top, and now you have done your cross of the white edge. So now find this, and here it is. You have to find white, orange, and blue. Here it is. Now just do one thing, just bring this down, take this side, and now lift this up. Now find white, orange, and blue, and just connect it. Do this algorithm: D prime, R prime, D, R. So now find it again, and here it is. Bring this down, move it to the side, and now just bring it up. And now you can connect these colors, and just bring this down, turn it to the side. Now lift this up and turn it to the right, and then again you can bring this down, turn it to the side, and lift it up. Now is the last layer of the cube: D prime, R prime, D, R. And now you have the first layer. So now you can start it with the fourth layer. Do this algorithm: U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F, and then you just solve this algorithm again. Oh boy, yes, it's saved. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. Now let's do this again. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. Let's do the algorithm: U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. So now this is the last color, and just do the algorithm again, which I told you, and that is U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. So now you have the fourth layer done. Now let's go with the last layer. We have already have a rod here. So now we have with F R U R prime U prime F prime. So now you have the cross, and now you have two sides done here. So now let's do this algorithm from here. Or we have got this cross like this. So now we have the fish. So do this algorithm. R U R prime U R 2 U R prime. So I give just a few minutes. I'll be back. So I'm back again, and this is the last one I'm just showing. Just bring this down, turn it to side. Just turn it up, bring it up, turn it back, and now you can turn this up. And now your 5x5 cube is done. So thanks for watching, and if you want any of the tutorials of 3x3, 4x4, and 5x5, I can see what I can do. So thanks for watching my tutorial, and I'll see you later.